Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about Pepe. If we're looking at the overall markets, we did see Bitcoin see a little bit of a minor pullback that has been impacting some of the coins, but overall things are looking still really bullish, as you can see. So if we're looking at Pepe, it's up 2.2% over the past 24 hours in USD, compared with the price currently sitting at 1482, still about 4 zeros in front of the price. Also up 2.8% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparatives over the last 24 hours. Now, if we're focusing on its market cap, $6.25 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has been able to reclaim back above $1 billion. So that is, of course, really nice to see. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So, of course, right now you are seeing a green day for Pepe. So, this obviously brings a question to the holders, asking themselves whether or not, we are going to see Pepe reaching all-time highs. So Pepe was able to do one specific thing that, we have been talking about on the channel over the past few days. And what I'm talking about is getting past that key resistance. When I pull out the charts, things will make sense. But let's take a look at the holder count. So, we did crack past 240,000 holders. Obviously, the holder count is in an upwards trajectory. We know that. We know the importance of that. And, day by day, you are seeing new holders coming on board for Pepe. And that is, bigger than it gets, in my opinion. Especially in a bull market, you need to see these numbers going up, especially the holder count. And that's extremely, extremely important. And over the last 6 months, you have been seeing this steady upward trajectory for the holders increasing. As far as the entire meme coin market goes, you have seen the overall meme coin market bounce about 3.3% over the past 24 hours, and that's all thanks to Bitcoin. Bitcoin was able to reclaim back above 71K. You are seeing a lot of green across the board right now, especially for the smaller capped coins below $1 billion. You could pretty much see this across the board. Some are up quite a bit, and this coin right here, guys, this beer coin, it's literally shocking to say the least, at the fact that where it's currently sitting at $366.2 million in terms of market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume on beer coin is more than its market cap itself. So I have no idea as to what it is, but this just shows you how much momentum meme coins specifically really have right now. So if we're looking at Pepe right now, as far as the top 5 coins go, it is the only one that's up over the past 24 hours, about 2.5%. So that is obviously nice to see. But the question that you guys probably have is, when are we going to see that new breakout? Because let's face it, as far as the overall market is concerned, we're still in the bullish, territory. We did see a little bit of a cool off. Obviously, a lot of longs being liquidated, whales trying to manipulate the market, people locking in profits, reallocating their gains into other projects. But now you are seeing Pepe showing good signs. And of course, when I pull out the charts, things will make sense. So as far as BTC dominance is concerned, dominance did go down about, I would say, a little bit. We're currently sitting at 54.5% as far as the dominance is concerned. If we're looking at BTC price, Bitcoin did make its way back up to $71,586. Saw a rejection because, of course, we do have significant amount of resistance around that level. But, we do have at the same time a lot of support around here, which is obviously a clear indication where we're being supported by right now for the price of Bitcoin. But, the thing that's on the bright side is the fact that Bitcoin is above $70,000, and that's what you need to be understanding right now. But let's take a look at Pepe, because Pepe finally did something that I've been discussing. So we're only going to focus on the hourly time frame, because a lot of people understand the technical analysis portion when it's on the shorter time scale. So if we're looking at it on the hourly time frame, you guys can see this for yourself. I'm sure if you do follow me on my channel on a day-to-day basis, you guys know about this extreme important level of support at the 1459 zone, and we have seen several different rejections over the past few days, but this has turned into support right now. We actually did end up closing the daily candle above this key resistance, and you can see this for yourself. Pepe made its way up to the 1512 zone, and will you look at that, where it got stopped out, a significant level of resistance. So there is still quite a bit of hurdle in front of Pepe's price, even though it's trying to break out. The volume is increasing. But the best thing that you want to be looking at is that we're above this key support line. This gives me an indication that, you know, we could potentially see an upside, especially if we're able to clear the 1544 resistance that's coming on our way. If that is able to break out, you know, this will give me a very strong confirmation that, you know, there's a strong chance that Pepe could start breaking out towards all-time highs, because let's face it, after that key resistance is broken out, you might see a little bit of a choppiness around the 1576, and if that is able to break out, I think we have pretty much thin air, and that's only a move of about 11% from this resistance that I just spoke to you guys about, for Pepe to retest its all-time high and possibly breaking towards, you know, all-time highs. So obviously we do talk about the psychological market cap that's on everyone's mind right now, which is the $10 billion market valuation for Pepe. As of now, without a doubt, it is the coin with the lead, and has that advantage on its side. Any other project that is close to it, as far as new coins that are in the market, you know, they still are 50% below its overall market cap right now. So as far as that is concerned, you know, it has a huge edge against some of its competitors. But this does not mean that, you know, one of these competitors cannot start running. You never know with crypto. In a snap of a finger, we could see one of these, you know, possibly Solana meme coin start breaking towards the upside and actually start, you know, battling it out with Pepe. But Pepe definitely has that narrative behind it, you know, the momentum, community support, exchange listings, a lot of similar patterns playing out as to what we have seen, especially if you're a crypto OG. You did see the meme coin market, pretty much the first meme coin market cycle in the previous bull market. You are seeing a lot of things aligning with Shiba Inu's early beginnings, and this is what gets a lot of people excited. And I still feel we haven't seen anything close to retail FOMO kicking in. Usually retail FOMO kicks in Q3 to Q4, and I think we are going to see that once again happening. You are seeing a lot of new money coming into the space. Easiest way to understand that is as a content creator. You know, when you're a content creator, you could literally see everything from a different point of view that not a lot of people can. There's so many, like if I were to go back 12 months ago and compare to now, the amount of comments that I'm getting, hey, you know, this is my first time in the crypto space, I'm very excited, I'm not sure what I'm doing, what should I be looking out for? So basically, in short words, there's a lot of new money coming into the space, a lot of new investors. But I think we're going to get even more retail exposure coming in, and that will make things even more exciting. But as far as Pepe's price is concerned, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Extremely important for it to actually continue to hold above this support line. We've seen several different you know, moves before as well, but you know, we've seen major rejection. So it would be an icing on the cake if it's able to actually continue to stay above here, because this would be a strong indication that, you know, we could see more upside. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.